Once we have our routing and bill of materials ready and connected with our item, we can start to produce. In execution, in manufacturing module, we will find released production orders. This is the final status for the production order. We will not go through for all the planning activities connected with orders. I will start with released, so the last step in the production. I will also make it manually. There are of course some functions that make this automatically, but now I will prepare it from scratch. So let's hit new. I will choose my bicycle and I will put 2 as a quantity I want to produce, and the due date will be like this. Okay, so now I need to refresh my production order. System will calculate all needs for this production, and it will calculate the starting date and ending date time for this production. In lines, you can check components. So what items do we need to fulfill this production order? How much do we expect to use and how much is still remaining to use? I can also check my routing with some details about each operation, the starting time and ending time for each of those, calculated based on times defined in the machine or work center. We have of course our quantity and the remaining quantity, because we didn't do anything with the order.